Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida as usual. And today, guys, I have a treat for you. I'm in a 2021 Dodge Ram 2500, but this one is the Power Wagon, and I'll explain why the Power Wagon is or is not for you. And as usual, if this is your first time or not even your first time checking out the channel, please hit that subscribe button down below, bell icon, ding, for future uploads. Like, share, and comment on the videos. And thanks for watching as usual. Power Wagon in this beautiful olive green, that Florida sunshine bouncing off of it. It do have the upgraded tires, and it does come with the black wheels. Of course, you always get that nice little decal telling you what it is, Power Wagon, and it also have some Ram boxes. And this is a two-tone with a black and green. I was checking to see if it was painted on, and it is painted on. This little stripe is a decal, but the rest of it is painted. So it's a two-tone olive green and black. This trim model, of course, the Power Wagons come with a Hemi 6.4 liter Hemi, heavy duty. Got the rails on this one. Also, usually they all come with a provision for a winch, and it has the Ram, like the Warlock front end on it. Ooh, looking so pretty in the sunlight. Look at that. And it has this is a decal on the hood, and also have the lights up top with the antenna, trailer lights, parking sensors. And look how good that color looks in the sun. Also got the over fenders. Has the tow mirrors, even though this truck isn't necessarily built for towing. It probably tows about 12,000 pounds. Here's the engine bay. Nice and pretty. It's not as filled up as it is with the diesel, because as I said, this is the 6.4 liter. Got a little bit of space in between the radiator. So this is the gas version. Got the premium Power Wagon, heavy duty. As it says, it looks pretty sharp. And as you hear, look, why would I need such a big truck that doesn't tow as much as a diesel? This truck is mostly made for guys who want to off-road a full-size truck. Hence the Power Wagon. The gas, it's a little less, not a lot more than the actual its brother version that comes in the diesel. A little bit raised up. As I said, the trailer winch, so the Power Wagon is more for people who wants to go off-roading with a full-size truck. So another feature that it has, it does have the lower assisted tailgate, so it doesn't just slam down to the ground. Also, you have the bed divider that you could move to wherever you may need it. Also has these rails to where you could lock in your dirt bike or whatever you choose to put in there. And of course, you could slide them. You can slide them for wherever you want to move them to. So they'll move up and down fully on that track right there. Got the Power Wagon, comes up when you turn it on, and this one does have the big screen. That's another $1,800 option. And as I said, it has no center console like on the limited diesel. You have an extra cubby space down there, your auxiliary in USB ports, power button, well, not power button, but power outlet, and an okay size. You could pull this up and you could have a third seat in the front. And instead of the automatic, you pick which gear you want yourself. So this one trimmed out is $71,000 versus its diesel cousin trimmed out at $82,000. So you're saving a few doll hairs if you're not necessarily going to go towing and you want to go into the off-roading realm, even though it's kind of long. And this one also has the Harman Kardon sound system. To me, the Harman Kardon sound system sounds a little bit better than the Alpine. Here's the knob, all the different selector modes. Axle, you could unlock your axle, so it's more for, you know, like off-roading, and you could disconnect your sway bar electronically and everything like that. But all in all, this is still a nice, beautiful truck. But for me, I would want mine mostly for towing, so I would definitely get the diesel version. It's trimmed with the leather, USB ports for the back, for the rear. Also has a sunroof. And this one, unlike the 2500 Limited in diesel, this has like a faux carbon fiber diamond plate type look and not the wood grain. So as I said, this one, it drives a little bit smoother than the diesel because this one has a different suspension setup, but all in all, it's still good. And the main reason I would not get this one is because I need mine mostly for towing, and this one's more so for off-roading. You want to go on the weekend trails, you want to, you know, do stuff like that, but not necessarily in the heavy-duty towing department. So that's the main difference between the Power Wagon and the Cummins diesel, is the towing ability and the suspension. And the Power Wagon come with a provision for a winch already, because if you go off-roading with this thing, you're definitely going to get stuck. You're going to need to winch yourself out or pull out a tree trying. And as usual, guys, thanks for checking out the videos. Thanks for the great feedback I've been getting from you guys. And definitely subscribe down below for more videos like this in the off season, you know, for racing until we get back full swing racing. Give me some thumbs up, comment, definitely share the videos, definitely tell your buddies to subscribe and family members. And as usual, guys, thanks for watching all the videos. Peace.
I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cut throat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy